in today's video you'll be watching the uses of fermented rice water on plants, particularly bean sprouts. So how we do it, what are the uses for this, do watch the complete video. So one organic fertilizer that I'm showing you is rice water. We soak rice in water, and that rice water is basically very good. It has a lot of nutrients which generally goes in vain when we discard this water. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping this water for my usage for plants, and I will not be using it directly. I'll take the water, I'll keep it for 2 days. Now this water will ferment on its own, right? And this fermented water, which is now very rich of nutrients, will then be supplied to my plants. So the first thing that I'm doing, because I'm making rice, so I don't want to waste water, I'll take this discarded water और फिर उसको मैं रख दूंगी 2 दिन के लिए, so that the microorganisms can grow in it, ferment होना शुरू हो जाएगा थोड़ा बहुत, और उसके बाद हम इसको use करेंगे. So I am doing the first step today. And now this will be covered, it will be kept aside. Now this is the rice rinsing water which has been kept for 48 hours, and it is now can be used as an effective fertilizer. This rice water was kept at room temperature because of summer months. It has fermented faster because of the optimum temperature, which promotes the growth of microorganisms. The rice water, we are going to put it into these sprouts. You can see the small seeds, small plants now of beans that I have grown in pots in my balcony. You can also see the fruits coming, the small French beans coming very nicely. And this rice water, it acts as an excellent fertilizer for beans and bean sprouts in fields. It is used extensively, and this starch from the rice water basically believes to encourage beneficial soil bacteria, and also provides a lot of vitamins and minerals, which also add small amount of NPK, that is nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, into the soil. And nitrogen is very important for legumes, and beans being a legume, this rice water will very effectively help in the growth of this plant. And the second thing is, this is an excellent technique because we are not wasting water. We are also conserving the water which is used for rinsing rice and pulses. Now this is rice. We are conserving water, and it is also an excellent way of not to over chemical fertilize our plants. It's always better to be organic and use natural products wherever useful. So it will prevent the over fertilizing of our plants, and this rice water will act as a great medium for the growth of your plants. So this is what I am doing. The rice water is going into my bean sprouts today. You can see after fermentation the transparent water has somewhat turned milky, and this water, the milky water, basically is rich of lot of vitamins, and it is now supplied to the plants, and the plants does not need chemical fertilizers if all the ingredients of the kitchens are used wisely. Thank you so much, and do like, share and subscribe, and put in your suggestions in the comment box.